Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spice bag, tray bake style, nice easy recipe, really quick to make and very tasty. Spice bags are very popular here in Ireland. You can get them in the Chinese. It's usually chicken with peppers, a spice bag seasoning and chips all cooked together. The chips are usually deep fat fried. I won't be deep fat frying my chips today. Everything is going to be put on one tray and baked. So it's a little bit healthier than what you get in the takeaway, but it is just as good and it tastes delicious. So to get started, what I did is I heated a nice big tray. You need a big tray for this recipe, so there's lots of room for everything to cook. I'm going to make my spice bag seasoning. So in here I have 1.5 teaspoons of Chinese 5 spice. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic granules and 1 teaspoon of onion granules, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of aromat. This is like an MSG that you would get in a Chinese. You can buy it here in Ireland as a seasoning. So I'm going to get that in there. If you don't have it, you can just leave it out. So I'm going to mix everything together. And that's my spice bag seasoning. I'm just going to set this to one side. I've 800 grams of potatoes here, which I've just chopped quite thick into thick chips. I'm using rooster potatoes. You can use Morris Pipers either. Use a floury potato. You can also use a bag of chips from the shop if you want to use them, either frozen chips or something like that. So into here I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil either. And I'm going to add in half my spice mix and give this a mix together. You just want to coat the chips with the oil and the spice mix. I'm going to get the chips onto the tray now and just spread them out so they're not touching one another or on top of one another. These are ready now for the oven, and they're going into the oven for about 25 minutes. I will turn them once, maybe at about the 15-minute mark. My chips are ready. They've been cooking for 25 minutes and they're quite well cooked. They do need another 20 to 25 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the other half of my spice bag mix. I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to set this to one side for a minute. Here I have 600 grams of chicken breast. Chicken thigh is very good for this dish as well. It's lovely. So I've just chopped it up into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to mix all this together. Now I'm going to add in my spice bag mix with my other ingredients. Give everything a good stir. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of water just to bring it all together. This is all going into the pan now. So make sure to just spread it out. Add in 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced green pepper, and 1 sliced red pepper. I'm going to mix all this together now. Make sure there's enough space on your tray. I think what I'll do is, before I put this in the oven, I'll put it on 2 trays. You need lots of room for the chicken, the chips and the veg to actually cook. So there you have it everyone, it's ready for the oven. It's going to go into the oven for 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, maybe turn it once or twice. Here it is everyone, fully cooked, tastes delicious. The chips are cooked and so is the chicken. I've got one other little job I need to do. So I've just put my second tray back into this one. I've got 2 cloves of garlic here, chopped up nice and small, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Mix this together. I'm adding the garlic now because I didn't want it to burn. best to do it now. So just going to drizzle this over, just like that. And this is going back in the oven now for just 5 minutes, and then we can serve it up. So there you have it, everyone. What do you think? Doesn't it look gorgeous? Great little recipe, quick, easy, delicious, save you a bit of money. It's just as good as a spice bag that you get in the local takeaway. I hope you all try out the recipe. It really is a good one for the weekend, and everyone in the family is going to love it. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.